2015 Toyota Tundra 1794 edition. Really beautiful truck. Right there. Show you what we got done on it. Still got factory duals. There and there. Factory converters there. And there. Then two more in the back. One there and one there. So a total of four. Then it comes factory true dual. And we put a MAGNAFLOW 14-inch body. Dual in, single out. Then connected it to his original tailpipe. And put a dual tip right there. Offset it a little bit. There it is. That's how you do them. If you guys want the muffler or the tip, you can hopefully find the link in the description if we can find one. I'll let you guys see it in a minute, let you guys hear it. Again. Go ahead and back it up. Sound decibels about 85, 90. They're on the other side, so not really factor that in. Let you guys hear on the inside. Toyota Tundra MAGNAFLOW dual in, single out. Really nice, clean look to it. Don't you guys agree? Let me know in the comments. I think I agree. I like it.